Welcome to Q167 Mathematics. In this video, we are to find all the solutions of the equation below. This is an equation with the denominator being quadratic. Now, solving an equation which involves fraction, the first thing that we need to do is to find the LCM. By looking at the denominator, we will go through hell if you decide to use this as the LCM. Well, this is different from that and different from this. But then we can look at the denominator carefully. Y squared minus 10y minus 29. Y squared minus 10y. Y squared minus 10y minus 69. See, there is a pattern. So we can do substitution so that the equation will be reduced to an easier form that can be solved easily. So let's say x be equal to y squared minus 10y minus 29. Okay, now if that is the case, then see y squared minus 10y minus 45 is the same as, you can write it as y squared minus 10y minus 29 minus 16. So, and this one will be x minus 16. Okay, let's move to the second one. So y squared minus 10y minus 69 can also be written as y squared minus 10y minus 29 minus 40, or 69 is minus 29 minus 40. And this, we said that is x. So this one is the same as x minus 40. So we are going to replace this by this. Therefore, the equation becomes 1 over x plus 1 over, here is x minus 16 plus, this is minus 2 over x minus 40 is equal to 0. So this one is easier to solve as compared to the first one. Okay, LCM is x times minus 16 times x minus 40. So we are going to multiply through by this LCM. Now when we multiply this one by that, this x will cancel x, so that we are going to have x minus 16 times x minus 40. Now when we multiply it by this, x minus 16 will cancel out, so it will be left with x times. So plus x times x minus 40, okay. And then minus 2, here minus x minus 40 will cancel out, minus 2x times x minus 16 is equal to 0. So we are now going to expand, so x times x. So when we simplify, we are going to get x squared minus 56x plus 640 plus x squared minus 40x minus 2x squared plus 32x is equal to 0. Okay, so this x squared plus x squared, we have 2x squared, and then minus, so we have 56x, then minus 40x plus 32x minus 2x squared plus 64 is equal to 0. So this and that will go, and then this is 96 plus, so we have minus 64x, which is equal to, so minus 64 plus 640 is equal to 0. So we have minus 64x is equal to minus 640 divided both sides by minus 64. This will cancel that. So we have x to be 10. Now we say that x is equal to y squared minus 10y minus 29. So for x is equal to 10, we have y squared minus 10y minus 29 is equal to 10. So y squared minus 10y. Let's bring this one to the left hand side. Okay, so we have y squared minus 13y plus 3y minus 39 is equal to 0. So y to bracket y minus 13 plus 3 to bracket y minus 13 is equal to 0. So we have y minus 13 and then y plus 3 is equal to 0. So we have y is equal to 13 or minus 3. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching us for the first time and you have not subscribed, you can click on the subscribe button. You can also click on the notification button so that anytime we drop a video, you'll be alerted wherever you are. Bye.